Perfect for PlayStation 5 TVs, will bring in two brand new PS5 exclusive features: 1. Auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode. They also support frame rates up to 120 FPS in a super crisp 4K resolution as specified in HDMI 2.1 for compatible games too. Additionally, with input lag as low as 6.0 milliseconds on the Z9J and 8.5 ms3 on the other Bravia XR TV models, customers can experience extraordinary smoothness and responsiveness in shooting, sports and high-performance games with instant on-screen action. In collaboration with Sony Interactive Entertainment, we are thrilled to offer our customers new features to enhance their gaming experiences, said Tyler Ishida, Deputy President for Consumer Business Group, Sony Electronics Incorporated. With best-in-class picture quality, low input lag and the addition of auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode, we can confidently say that Bravia XR TVs are perfect for PlayStation 5. Sony's Bravia XR TVs deliver stunningly realistic pictures full of vibrant colors and eye-catching contrast, complemented by unique sound from screen technology that puts users right in the heart of the action whether they're playing a game or watching a movie. Perfect for PlayStation registered 5 Bravia XR exclusive features. Auto HDR tone mapping. 4. With auto HDR tone mapping, the HDR settings will be optimized instantly during PS5 initial setup. The PS5 will automatically recognize individual Bravia XR TV models and select the best HDR setting for the TV accordingly. With the optimized HDR tone mapping level to customers' Bravia display specification, they'll see crucial details and colors even in high contrast scenes. For instance, users will get the addition of detailed objects on the track in Gran Turismo 75,6 so they know just how to make their next move. Auto genre picture mode. 4,7. Bravia XR TVs can detect whether users are playing a game or watching movies and shows. With auto genre picture mode, the TV automatically switches into game mode when gaming, which minimizes input lag to make the action more responsive, or to standard mode when watching movies via a streaming service or from an Ultra HD Blu-ray disc on the PS5, which shifts focus to picture processing for a more expressive picture. Software updates, available by the end of January 2022, on both PS5 and Bravia XR TVs are required to access auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.